How to find LinkedIn URL. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So if you would like to find your LinkedIn profile URL, then that's what I'm going to show you. So what you want to do is go to me and then click on view profile. And once you are here, you can already see here public profile and URL. So I can straight away copy this URL and that is my profile URL. So let's just click on there and there we go. We will go to my profile. But as you can see, there's also this pen icon, which means that you can actually edit a custom URL. So what you can do is click on here. This will bring you over to a new page again. And then here you can click on this pin or pen icon again. And here you can actually change it. So it says, note your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So let's say I would only want the name here and not all of these numbers. I could, for example, try that. So let's click on save, and it actually worked. Now, if you have a name that multiple people have, then it's usually pretty hard to do that, but it actually worked straight away. So now this is way cleaner than with all of these numbers. So let's try if it already is updated. So I'll just refresh the page. And I noticed that here it is already updated, but here it still says, gives me the old link. So if I go back like this, it actually is already updated. So yeah, that's how to find your LinkedIn URL. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.